Um, so the question here is a simple zero-sum game, and we're asked to find a Nash equilibrium. So we need to know which player is the max player and which player is the main player. So I'll assume the row player is the max player, the column player is the main player. Then along each row, I'm going to maximize. Along each column, I'm going to minimize. So basically, the idea is fixing the minimum player's action. I want to find the max one. So it's this, and fix the minimum player's action. Now I'm going to find the max number, find the max number. And similarly, fix the max player's action. I'm going to find the minimum number among these three. So it's -7, and here is 1, and here is -6. So the cell with two circles will be the Nash equilibrium. So the Nash equilibrium can be either written as 2 and 2, or you can just say its value is 1.